Hey guys, welcome to the Jet Janix. And today I have a very special thing for you that is, of course, of very great interest and very amazing thing to check whether a simple condition is met or not. Okay, so how we can do it, or let me tell you about the data, and then I will tell you how you can use this feature of the Microsoft Excel. Okay, here we have the different states of US. Okay, and these are the, you can suppose it, an electricity bill or the utility charges of any consumer product. Okay, for the August, September, October, November, December and January, okay, respectively. And here let's assume we want to analyze if the Washington, okay, it is having the cost of 4.919, and here I want to see if it is greater than the average of all the states here in August or not, and I want to see if it is more than the average, then revert me with the result of OR. Okay, just reveal the OR word here and this cell so that I might get that I might get that the my utility bill for the Washington is over the are above the average, and if it is less than the average, then you give me the answer of under, so that I may get that my utility bill is under the average or less than the average. Okay, so how I'm gonna do it, I can just press the equal sign here. Okay, and then I will use the if function of the Microsoft Excel. So if, okay, I will double click it, and then I have to write the logic. Okay, and I will write the logic like if b1 is greater than, sorry, less, sorry, greater than the average. Okay, this is the average. Double click it and now select the whole series. Okay, the average, this is the average. Okay, average, and now we have to close the parenthesis and then comma. Okay, and I will say if the b1 is greater than the average of these series, then give me the answer of, let's assume, over. Okay, and if it is less than the average, then give me the answer of, let's say, under. Okay, and let me change this O here to the caps lock. Okay, and now here I have to type the inverted comma, and then I'm going to close the parenthesis. Okay, and I will press enter. Okay, you see now it says that the Washington, the Washington utility charges are more than the average for all these states. Okay, and if I want to check it for all the remaining states, I'm just going to do something here, like for example I will make it absolute cell address. Okay, and how I'm going to do it, I will just press the shift and F, shift and 4 to insert a dollar sign here. Okay, here. Okay, and now I will just press enter. Okay, so let me try it for the other as well. You see now this one, the Michigan is under, over, under, over and under. Okay, and now let's say if we want to do it for the September again, we can do it with the same thing. Okay, so this is how you can do the conditional, if you want to see if the simple condition has been met or not. And you can also change this average. Okay, this average, maybe you just want to subtract few values from other few values, or maybe you just want to compare the two values like the Miami. If you say you might have a condition that if b1 is greater than the Miami, then you have to select only this cell. you will say if B2 is greater than Miami, then revert me or give me the answer of over, otherwise under. Okay, and let me do it for you just to see if you can get this. Okay, wait, now I am just going to click this one. Okay, and this one, and I will press enter. Okay, now you see it says it is under because I don't know which one I selected, sorry guys. It was the Miami, yes, and this one, New York. You see, this one is higher than this one. Okay, and my argument was if B1 is greater than B6, then over, otherwise under. So because this one, sorry, which one, this one, and I have compared this one and this one is greater than B6 is this one. Okay, and it gave me the answer of over. Okay, and if I want to, let's say, check it with the other one which is under, for example this one, now you can see it will give me the answer of again over, yes, because this is higher than this one, and I think there is no value higher than this one. Okay, that's why in any case we will find the over result for Washington. So this is how you can check the simple condition if it has been met or not. Okay, so guys, if you like this, please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys, bye bye.